Guys, I believe you all know this song, DEFE DEFE. And as well know how to play it. But have you heard the new arrangements to the song? Charlie, it's mind-blowing. I'm just not gonna say anything because action speaks more louder than words. Let's just learn this and put the actions out there, okay? If you're interested, watch the video to the end so that you know where and when you can apply some of these lines, okay? I also do private class lesson. If you're interested, you see the link in the comment section below. Click on the link to take you direct to my WhatsApp. Okay guys, so grab a base and let's begin with the tutorial. I'll be breaking the most important parts in the song so that you understand and start using them in the song, okay? So let's start from the beginning. So that is 6 7 1 1. Da 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 6 7 1 1. Da 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 da. He did it on the 3 progression. So da 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 6 7 1 1. Da 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 da. So that is 5 4 3. It is not the 5 progression. That is the normal song. So they did 5 to the 3 progression and to the 6 and 2. So he did, yeah. So 3. That is 5 6 3 6. So after he played, you understand? So you slide to your 6, 2 3 4. Okay. So da 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 da. Debbie Debbie da, Debbie Debbie da. You come to your 6th here, so that is re mi la. So re mi la. So in the video you saw him doing this. He's playing the 1 note, okay? So the riff he played here was so 2 3 5 2 3 5. That is re mi so, then 1. Okay. Okay. Da da da. The normal one. So 4 6. Then you have your 4 sharp 5 1. Fa la fi so do. So what he played here was Okay, so the arrangement on the 4, 4, 5, 6, 1, 4. Okay, fa, sol, la, do, fa, then sol, la, do, re, fa, mi. So when you don't play fa, mi, then you have your 5 sharp and your 2. Okay, then you do, okay, that is 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, 7, 1, 7, 6, 5, 6. Okay, so okay, that's your 5. Okay, so what he played there was da 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 5, then 7 1 4. Okay, then 2 1 7 6, then your 5. Okay, slide to your 2. Okay, 2 3 2 1, the first one, then 5 3 2 1, then 5 4. Okay, okay, 4 3 2 1 7 6, then you can come to the 6, then to your 1. So 6 7 1, you understand? So 7 1 3 4 da 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 da. So there's a lick he played there. So to what I heard, I don't know if it's the same thing, but let me just try and break what I heard. So something like this. Okay, something like that. So that is 5 6 2, 5 6 1. Okay, 5 6 2, 5 6 1, sol la re, sol la do, then 6 7 6 5 3 1 5. Okay, then 1 5 4 4 4 4. That is la ti la so mi re do, so fa 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 fa. So that is your toe, your 7 flat. So when you're done playing delay, into your 6. So what he played here, so 6 4 3 2 1 2 3, then your 7 flat 4 1. Okay, so 4 4 1, then to the 4 munyami, you understand? So 6 4 3 2 1 2 3, then 7 flat 4 1. Okay, so 4 1, then you play your 5 flats 1 1 4. So 4 4 3, just like the normal 4 4 3. Okay, so 4 4 3, then so the last da 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 do 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 do, what he played 4 3. So 4 3 1 2 1 2 3, then your 3, your 6 flat, your 7, your 3, your 6 flat, your 7, your 3. Then you descend 3 7 6 flat 3. You understand? So you understand? So da 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 da. Okay, so I don't want to make this video so long. What matters is try to copy the most important thing, the new arrangement. That is for me, I would love to copy this. You understand? And the first one, okay, so just try and learn this new arrangement. You might not know where you'll be singing the song in a program, then you can try to apply groove in it. Okay, so I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Bye for now.